President Emmerson Mnangagwa reportedly instructed ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs Patrick Chinamasa to delete a public statement he posted on X defending the whole option of controversial businessman Kudakwashe Tagwirei into the party's central committee. Sarabina mashoko buda panguva ino zvinzi aiwa Mnangagwa orders Chinamasa to delete Tagwirei central committee co-option statement. Panguva ino zvaonekwa kunzi aiwa generally muhombe vari subscribe like watamba bell icon. Tipina unambobuda kwamchinzi the directive announced via the ZANU-PF aligned Operation Restore Legal social media page on Monday comes amid growing speculation over internal factionalism within the ruling party. The President and First Secretary of the ZANU-PF directed the Secretary for Legal Affairs to avoid this transgression in his future discharge of his duties, the statement read. The same source claimed Chinamasa had been ordered to retract his post on X, formerly Twitter, where he defended the process that led to the Tagwirei's co-option. Chasara Kuramba Twitter account, the post added, hinting at possible further restrictions on Chinamasa's use of the platform. Ano poster for statement Chinamasa idora munoziva rakareleaswa yesterday raazodilita endera mberi zvichinzi Tagwirei a controversial businessman closely linked to President Mnangagwa remains one of the most polarized figures in Zimbabwean politics. His rising influence in ZANU-PF has been interpreted by insiders as a sign that he could be Mnangagwa's chosen successor, an assumption that has reportedly intensified the rivalry between him and Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga. While Chinamasa's statement appeared to be an empty to quell the public uproar, Mnangagwa's move to suppress it suggests the party leadership is seeking tighter control of internal messages as tensions mount. Presidential spokesperson Joe Charamba had not responded to a request for comment by the time of publication. Ndo mashikwaruko panguva ino aiwa vana Chinamasa ofoso kudeleta mapost avaita central committee co-option yakuda kwashe Tagwirei. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudiva pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda kumasection medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe like, chetombe bell icon.